today we are now going to be making like a scratch project, like something like this. Let me just go click on it and show you how it's more likely done. So here we go. Here's the play button, and yeah, you're gonna do something like this. Let's just stop wasting our time right now. So now let's create one, and yeah, here we are. So let's just delete this cute little cat over here, and you see this paintbrush over here. We are actually going to do that and be in bitmap mode, not the vector mode. So now let's just now go begin decorating this. So what I'm gonna be doing is fill these sides in, like fill it in with some gray the sides. So let's just click on this, and then you just do this. Ooh, no. Okay, just gonna connect that over here, and then you're just gonna be, wait a second, there we go, and then do the same thing with the other sides. Okay, and the last one right over here, and then yeah, then I'm going text. And I'm just gonna change this to mystery handwriting and color it red, like YouTube handwriting. And let's call this my tube. So since you did that, now now let's just go now let's just go fix something with this. So we gotta go center this in. So what I'm gonna do is let's go add a when flag is clicked, and add a go to XY, and let's just probably do 0 and 0. And maybe let's go see if this works. Actually, that's actually really good. So then now let's go click on this over here, like you see this thing. We're gonna go click on that little tiny thing, and then let's go choose the backdrop. Like what are we gonna be doing? Let's do music and dance, and let's just pick up a party, and let's just go delete this one. And yeah, the backdrop is a party. Do you know what I'm just gonna call this? I'm gonna be calling this the website screen. Okay, so now since you did that, now we're gonna be making another sprite, but let's just choose it by character from the library, and let's go see which one I could choose. People. Okay, like I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, this one. And I wonder wait a second. Oh, there we go. So now I'm just gonna call this Yo, that's what I'm gonna name him. And since you could name him whatever you want, though. You could, if you are understanding this, you could probably just make your own project which is similar to mine. And you don't exactly have to copy what I'm doing, but just giving you the idea, so you would be ready for this project you could make. So yeah, so we're gonna make one more sprite, which is gonna be called Play. And I'm just gonna decorate and make him in the bitmap mode. And yeah, I'm just gonna make this line, then this line, and then that line. Then click on the fill in with color. Then click on that, and yeah, you now see it's over here, which is good now. So let's go and now say when this sprite collects broadcast a message and a new message, and let's go say play. And yeah, now you just gotta go to him. When I receive play, I just clean that up. And now you gotta go in the looks block. I'm just gonna add 4 of these. So no, I can't. I'm not gonna make him say hello for like 4 times. We're just changing something with this. So let's go and make it first and make him say hello. My name is Yo, and I like to dance. And yeah, there we go. So let's just now go make him say which is seconds we should make him say it. So let's go say 6, and then we're gonna make him say my favorite dance. Wait, dance is called the break dance. And then now let's go make him say that for like 8 seconds, and say I know all about dancing. And then yeah, now let's just go say, well, that's all. Bye. So yeah. So we gotta now go change the seconds for this, and wait, what? Oh yeah. Well, that's all. Bye. Sorry about that, because my mom just corrected me that I spelled all with only 1 O. And now we're gonna go change the second. So now let's just go make him say this 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just make him say this for 4 seconds, and this one for 3 seconds. And now you're done. So let's go now. Oh wait, let's go title this It's dance boy. Yeah, now let's go click on the flag, and here's the play button, and now there you go. Hello, my name is Yo-Yo, and I like to dance. And wait until he moves on. My favorite dance is called the break dance. I already typed that down too, and I know all about dancing, and well, that's all. Bye. So I hope your project worked on this, because yeah, this is you could actually keep on watching my video, and the more you watch this, the more better you understand. So now you're all done actually with the project. So now go click on the share button right over here, and now you're done. I'm just gonna put these in, and yeah, now you're all done. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, boys and girls. Bye bye.